When I say streams in Linux, what comes to mind? Streams in the Finnish countryside outside Linus Torvald's summer cabin. Merriam-Webster defines a stream as a body of running water, and that's not very different from what streams are in Linux. In Linux, they are what's running in and what's running out. Streams are one of the fundamentals of understanding Linux. This is B from TatOG Tech, and today I'm going to cover Linux input and output streams. Stick with me. I've got a favor to ask. If you like this type of video and want to see more content like it, make sure you are subscribed and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, don't forget to give this video a like if you like it. Give it a dislike if you didn't like it. Make sure you let me know what you liked, didn't like, or if you have any comments, questions, concerns, or emotional outbursts down in the comment section below. And lastly, make sure you stick around all the way to the end to make sure you get the most out of this video. Let's do this thing. All right, so we're going to go and switch to the desktop here. This is going to be a short video, by the way. All right, so when we're talking about a Linux command, you're going to have the input, and then you're going to have the output. The input is going to be what we put into it, your command. The output is going to be what the result of that command is. Now, there's three types of output that we need to talk about when it comes to a Linux command. The first is going to be the input, or what is referred to as the standard input, which again is whatever's being input into the command. And that's going to result in one of two things. That's going to result in either standard output or standard error. Standard output is what's being received from the system as a response for standard input. This is also described as a stream descriptor 1. Standard input is stream descriptor 0. Now, the other one that we want to cover here is standard error. And standard error is an error being received from the system as a response to standard input. This is stream descriptor 2. Now, I will be talking a little bit more about redirection in the next video, so make sure you're subscribed so you catch that video once it drops. Now, let me go ahead and actually give you an example here, and you can see right here on the screen, and I already had this in there when I started, is that we have our standard input, which results in standard output or standard error. Now, I want to be able to show you what those look like, and you're probably already familiar with it, but it helps illustrate the concept. And then we'll just do ls, and then we're going to do the root directory, and there. This is our standard output. This is our standard input. Now, we could have some standard error here, but we don't have anything. No errors were thrown. So now let's go ahead and run a command that's going to give us an error. So it's going to be mkdir, and we're going to do root, and then we're going to go ahead and do admin user. Oh, permission denied. This right here is standard error because we're getting an error. So, and just imagine if you get it in both of them, then you would have both the output as well as an error in the same output. So yeah, pretty easy, right? Now you have a better understanding of this Linux fundamental. Check out this other video from my channel. Remember, mistakes make you better, so keep on making them. Thank you so much for watching my video, and have the greatest of days.